Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel Excel. Today we are getting into SUMIFS, one of the most useful conditional sum formulas Excel has, and one every data analyst needs to know cold. SUMIFS lets you add up values from a range, but only for rows that meet specific conditions. You can stack as many conditions as you need, which makes it incredibly flexible for real-world data work. We are covering 4 features in this video. Using a cell reference as criteria, combining multiple criteria with not equal to, using wildcards for partial text matches, and stacking 3 criteria using comparison operators. Let's get into it. Here is our Pokemon dataset. Each row has a name, type, generation, total stats, and individual stats like HP, attack, and defense. The goal for this first example is simple. We want to sum the HP values for every water-type Pokemon in the table. But instead of hard-coding the word water into the formula, we are going to reference a cell. That way, changing the cell value changes the result automatically. We click into the stats total cell and type equals SUMIFS. The first argument is the sum range, which is the HP column. The second argument is the criteria range, which is the type column. The third argument is the criteria itself, which is cell O2, where the value water is already entered. Hit enter and the result is 274. That is the total HP of all water-type Pokemon in our table. The power here is the cell reference. Change O2 from water to fire, and the formula recalculates instantly. No rewriting, no manual updates, just live dynamic results. Now let us add a second condition and introduce the not equal to operator. Our criteria box now has 2 inputs, type equals fire and generation equals not I. The goal is to sum HP values for fire-type Pokemon that are not generation 1. We build the formula as equals SUMIFS, then the HP range as sum range, then the type range with fire as the first criteria pair, then the generation range with the text less than greater than I as the second criteria pair. That less than greater than symbol is how you write not equal to in Excel. It tells SUMIFS to exclude any row where generation equals I. Hit enter and the result is 115. Looking at the table, Arcanine is generation 1 and is excluded. Only Entei, a generation 2 fire type, passes both conditions and contributes its HP of 115 to the total. 2 criteria, 1 precise answer. Here's where SUMIFS gets even more flexible. What if your text values contain the word you are looking for, but are not an exact match? Look at the type column. Some Pokemon have pure fire type, but Charizard is fire, flying, and Camerupt is fire, ground. If we search for exactly fire, we miss those multi-type entries. Wildcards fix this. By wrapping fire in asterisks, we tell SUMIFS to match any type value that contains the word fire, regardless of what comes before or after it. The formula is equals SUMIFS, then HP as the sum range, then the type range with the criteria asterisk fire asterisk, then the generation range with less than greater than I to still exclude generation I. Hit enter and the result is 185. It captures Entei at 115 plus Camerupt at 70, both Generation 3 fire types, both matched by the wildcard. Last one, and this one stacks 3 conditions at once. Our criteria box now has 3 inputs. Type equals water, attack greater than or equal to 50, and sp.atk less than 100. We want to sum HP for water-type Pokemon that have at least 50 attack but less than 100 special attack. The formula is equals SUMIFS, then HP as the sum range, then 3 criteria pairs. Type with water, then the attack range with greater than or equal to 50 as the criteria, then the sp.atk range with less than 100 as the criteria. Notice how the comparison operators are embedded directly inside the criteria strings using quotation marks. That is the correct syntax whenever you use greater than, less than, or any comparison operator in SUMIFS. Hit enter and the result is 135. Looking at the table, that matches Blastoise with 79 HP, Feraligatr with 85 HP, and Mudkip with 50 HP, and Staryu who actually does not meet the attack threshold. The formula has correctly filtered down to only the water-type Pokemon that satisfy all 3 conditions simultaneously. 3 criteria, 1 formula. Exactly the right answer. That is SUMIFS from every angle. 4 features, 1 function, and a completely different level of control over your conditional calculations. Quick recap. 1. Use a cell reference as criteria to make your formula dynamic. 2. Use the not equal to operator to exclude specific values. 3. Use wildcards to match partial text. 4. Stack as many comparison operator criteria as you need, all in a single formula. That is how you make Excel Excel. And if you are building Excel models that your team needs to access, share, or fill in without touching the actual spreadsheet, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Turn your Excel file into a fully interactive web app with no coding required. Link is below.